Welcome to the Foghorn Station podcast, where I tell stories that transport you to the land of Illuminati and its mythical island of Foghorn Station. These stories are an introduction to this world and gently told to soothe your nervous system and to help you relax. Over this first season, we will explore some of its magical secret spots that will open up a place that you can always call upon for a moment of calm. Today's story takes us on a tour of the Foghorn Station Lighthouse. You will walk its secret rooms, spend time watching the view from the lantern, enjoy some satisfying brass cleaning, and sit by a cozy fire in the kitchen and fall asleep. I invite you to get comfortable in your favorite chair or lay down in bed. Get yourself nice and comfortable. Let's take a settling breath in through the nose and gently release out through the mouth. And again, take a deep breath in through the nose and very slowly and gently release out through the mouth. And once again, taking a deep breath in through the nose and very gently and slowly release through the mouth. There you go. I now invite you to pay some attention to your jaw. Just open your mouth just slightly and relax your jaw. Just let it release. Let it go. And now turning your attention to your neck. Just send a wave of relaxation from the top of your head down into your neck and release those muscles. Now let's release the muscles from the base of your skull, down into the neck and around the front to your throat. So much tension is stored here. Just imagine it releasing by sending another wave of deep relaxation over the top of your head and down your neck, into your shoulders, and release. All of that tension is melting away and leaving your body to rest. Sending a wave of relaxation from your head all the way down your body to the tip of your toes and relax. Your muscles are melting into the surface behind you. And all the tension from the day is being released. Now let us begin our story so that we can soothe your busy mind and calm your nervous system. Today is another full day of exploring on Foghorn Station Island. You have already been here for 3 days, and you have settled into the rhythm of the island and the pace of letting your days unfold just as you want. Your body feels relaxed, and the stresses of life seem very, very far away. You sleep when you want to sleep, you eat when your body is hungry, and you enjoy exploring when you feel like it with no pressure to accomplish anything. There is a thick fog out today and a misting rain, the kind that does not seem bad, but drenches you as soon as you step into it. So you decide that this is the perfect day to explore the island buildings. You have not yet been in the lighthouse, and so you have decided that this will be your adventure of the day. You are wearing your favorite jeans and a cozy sweater, and they feel just right. You put on your jacket and hat and walk out of the lightkeeper's room into the large mailroom in the station house. The fog is so thick outside today that it seems like early evening. The candelabra lights are on in the mailroom, casting a soothing orange light on the long wooden sorting tables and the bookshelves that line the walls. At the end of the room you see the wall of keys. Perhaps the lighthouse key is among them. You make your way towards them on the wooden floorboards that creak just slightly as you go, and it feels really comforting to hear. You run your hand over the wooden sorting tables, feeling the grain and the smooth edges. When you get to the end of the room, you see that there are 3 rows of keys hanging on brass hooks, all in little wooden cubbies. Each has a different brass plaque above it with different names. The keys are various shapes and sizes and all hang on a large brass keyring that has a red tassel. Some of the tassels look worn and some look pristine with their original deep red color. You scan the cubbies and find the one that says Lighthouse. You reach out and lift it off the hook. The keychain is heavy and feels satisfying to hold in your hand. You are not sure where the door is for the lighthouse, and so you set off to explore. You walk to the double doors in the mailroom and look out onto the train station platform. The fog is very thick and swirling around the island. You cannot see the ocean, but you can hear it. Perhaps the door is out on the platform. You vaguely remember seeing some steps on your first day. Opening the doors, you step out onto the concrete platform, under the cover from the awning from the rain. You stand there for a moment and just breathe. The air smells fresh with hints of the island forest, brine and wet earth. The smell is so delicious. It fills you with complete and utter calm. You walk a few steps and sit on the platform bench to take in more of this ocean foggy air. Looking to your left, you see the end of the train station platform and a set of concrete steps that go up to the lighthouse door. You walk slowly along the platform and up the stairs to the large metal door of the lighthouse. The key fits in the lock and you turn it with a satisfying click. You push the heavy door inwards, entering the lower level and the base of the stone spiral staircase. You decide that you will walk up to the top first and explore the different floors on the way down. So up you go, slowly and steadily, step by step, enjoying looking out of the little windows as they pass you by to see the foggy ocean view with its various levels of greys and blues. The staircase is lit by the same orange lights that cast a comforting glow. You feel instantly connected to this place. It feels like home. With each step that you take, you leave behind any tension or stress that is remaining in your body. You feel an overwhelming sense of safety in this building, and a calmness washes over you. You keep walking up and up and up you go, past 5 landings with multiple rooms, until you reach the very top hatch of the Lighthouse lantern. The hatch is open and you climb through it and step into the lantern. The room is far bigger than you realized from below. The light bulb is within the large glass prism and is slowly turning around, making a strangely soothing mechanical noise as it goes. You walk around it and look out of the pristine glass windows. Once in a while through the fog you can see glimpses of the ocean. There is a brass railing that runs around the room with some brass cleaner next to it on a ledge with a sign that says, "It is important that the safety rail is shiny at all times." The brass is clearly dull and definitely in need of a good clean. You really enjoy cleaning brass. Picking up the rag, moving your way around the room and making sure that the rail is evenly covered with cleaning solution. Listening to the foghorn and the ocean as you go. By the time you have got to where you began, the solution has dried. This is your very favorite part. Taking the other clean cloth, you start to wipe away the brass cleaner to reveal a bright and shiny railing. This is so very satisfying to you, just focusing on shining up the section of brass in front of you and listening to the sounds of the island. Slowly you go. Your body is relaxed and your mind is only focused on the task at hand. You are enjoying watching the railing come to shiny life. Just continue on like this until you have finished this soothing task. Looking back at your work, you are really satisfied with the results of your shiny brass railing that wraps around this beautiful room. You feel grounded, relaxed, and calm after this work. The fog is beginning to clear now, and it is starting to rain. The windows are soon covered in raindrops that are sparkling in the light from the turning light bulb. The sound of the rain is music to your ears, and you rest for a while, gazing out of the window at the rain, listening to the foghorn from below, and watching the light move around the room. You feel very much at peace here. Just let a wave of relaxation move over your body from the top of your head, down your neck, and all the way to the tip of your toes. You feel completely in the here and now, absorbing the ambience of this very special place. Just rest here a while and walk around this room and take it all in. There is nothing to be done but enjoy this moment. The rain is falling steadily and seems to be staying for some time. You decide to explore the rooms on the floor below and find a cozy place to rest. You climb back down the hatch and walk down the steps to the next floor. There are 3 doors, and you open the first one to find a large kitchen. There is a fireplace, a long kitchen table, a pantry, and a stove. There is a tall window next to a cozy chair. Neatly stacked wood is set next to the fireplace, and you set about lighting a small fire. Twisting up some newspaper first and placing it in the fireplace. On top of that, you place the small kindling sticks in a pyramid, and then a couple of small logs on top of that. You light the first match, and the paper lights up with flames that curl around the kindling. Before long, the fire is crackling away, and the smoke is disappearing up the chimney. You fill the kettle with water and start heating for some tea. The room fills with warmth, and the light from the fire leaps around the room. You settle into that cozy red chair and take a couple of deep breaths here, slowly bringing in the air through your nose and gently out through your mouth, and relax. You are safe and secure here. Everything is moving out to the far distance, and you feel at peace. The warmth from the fire makes you feel sleepy. The rain on the window soothes you. You feel completely at peace, relaxed, and calm here. You capture all the feelings of this place in your mind so that you can call upon it at any time that you want to feel this calm. You can hear the sound of the rain and the foghorn, and you feel the cozy easy chair beneath you wrap perfectly to your body. Just rest here a while. There is nothing to be done but rest and enjoy this place. You are feeling so very sleepy. You are closing your eyes now and settling deeper into that chair. Let a wave of relaxation wash over you from the top of your head all the way down to the tip of your toes. Rest here for a while. Just rest and relax. And as we leave this land today, I hope that it has transported your mind and relaxed your body. For more soothing stories of Foghorn Station, please subscribe to this podcast. You can also visit our website and find some gorgeous products that relate to the story, such as our handmade sensory linen handkerchiefs that have a special circle of blue velvet to soothe your fidgety hands. It was wonderful to travel with you today.